Hey guys, I got some really good information if you're looking for a metal roof, what not to do, how to protect yourself. This metal roof has everything I could think of to show you guys to save you some time, save you some money. First thing we notice is felt paper. It just rips right off. Now they've got an ant problem here because they got a moisture problem. Felt paper does not work well under metal. Never has, never will. You want a really good underlayment. Right away inside, we noticed there was a problem with ventilation. So we got up here and actually the roof can't breathe and it has a closed foam on here that the air can't get out. This is a breathable foam that's gonna keep the wind-blown rain out, but it's also gonna keep leaves, insects, bugs. So we're gonna lay this down here in this area versus this that's a closed system, nothing can get in or out. If you were to pull up to buy this house, you would think it's great because it has a metal roof, but it's not. It's got a lot of problems. We're gonna help solve some of those problems today, but we don't want you, the homeowner, to have to pay twice. Get a good quote from a metal roofing company. I always make sure that they have the equipment. If they have the equipment, they're long-term invested in metal roofing, they're gonna do a good job. That usually is the first key. And then the people. The people are everything when it comes to metal roofing, so you don't end up like this, getting expensive repairs on a metal roof.